My name's Esther Mutua. I have a shop at Kipandini. Before I got the fringe, I do put my soda in my on the shelf of the shop. It was not cold, it was warm. But the moment I got the fringe, more people came because the soda became cold. Due to the hotness of the climate, many people like cold soda. The moment they found the fringe here, they were very much surprised and they were very much proud of it. Before I got the fringe, I was selling 1 crate per week, but now because I have a fringe, I do sell 2 or more 3 crates per week. I make more money than before. I make 600 shillings more than before. Yeah, with the money I'm making for profit, I just want to grow my business. I can pay school fees for my son, and the other money I can save it for my future benefits.